The material structure of PET/LLDPE is a laminated combination of two types of plastic, PET and LLDPE, without a barrier layer in the middle. While this material structure offers the stand-up pouches with spouts an advantage of a low price, it also comes with certain disadvantages that limit its suitability for certain products and applications. Firstly, the PET/LLDPE material structure is only suitable for fast-selling products that do not require a barrier layer and have a packing volume within 200 milliliters. While some suppliers may argue that this material structure can be used for larger products, such as a 3-liter liquid stand-up pouch with spout, it often results in poor presentation and quality. Without the barrier layer, the contact layer, LLDPE, is susceptible to being dissolved at high temperatures, making it unsuitable for certain products. Additionally, the absence of a barrier layer makes it easier for special packaging contents, such as liquid detergent, to infiltrate through the LLDPE layer and directly corrode the printing layer, PET. Furthermore, stand-up pouch with corner spout made with this material structure are prone to not standing upright, especially as the size of the pouch increases. Secondly, the PET/LLDPE material structure is only suitable for unpasteurized liquid products. Without a barrier layer, the stand-up pouches with spout's ability to withstand pressure is compromised, making it unsuitable for products that require pasteurization at temperatures as high as 80 to 90 degrees. This can lead to leakage issues and render the pouch unsuitable for use with such products. In conclusion, while the PET/LLDPE material structure offers cost advantages, its limitations make it unsuitable for a wide range of products and applications. It is important for suppliers and manufacturers of stand-up pouches with spouts to carefully consider the specific requirements of their products and choose a material structure that best meets those needs, rather than solely focusing on cost considerations.